Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending us their mini solar flame lanterns. This is a 2-pack and nothing really around the box. A little bit of the specs there. Color temp 1800 to 6000 K. Solar powered 6 to 8 hours. Working time 10 to 12 hours. And of course, charging time and working time will be influenced by the weather conditions and season. Very true. Solar powered. Alright, realistic flickering flame. And that's what's inside. So let's look at what's inside real quick. 2 little metal clips. Lantern number 1, very nice. Lantern number 2, very nice. And a little instruction guide. All right, so this ring, of course, is designed to go through here and hang it like I'll show you right here. It can go just like that. And on the back here is your on-off switch. Slide it over to the on position and let the sun charge it. So let's go put these outside. There we go. Have these out here currently getting sun. Then we'll hang them up tonight and show you what they look like. So here they are at nighttime, lit up. I must say they do a really good job of putting off that fire effect. But this is what they look like. Really nice. Put off a nice bright light and it really looks like a fire. 2 thumbs up. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.